In this video, I'm going to explain you how to safely send money from MetaMask to PayPal. So basically, PayPal added crypto within their app. Now, this is limited, so it's not for everybody available. So if you open your PayPal app, you should see that you have the option to create a Bitcoin or other crypto account within the PayPal app. Now, for my personal account, I don't have this enabled. I don't have this available. And basically what you're gonna have to do is simply choose your crypto from the available ones in PayPal, because not all of them are available. So let's say Ethereum. So you just have to tap on this and then copy your Ethereum address. Then you just have to go to MetaMask and then choose Ethereum, and then you just have to click on send and then paste the address from the PayPal account that you just copied, enter the amount and send. So this is the easiest and fastest way you'll receive directly, so you don't have to worry about confirmation or anything like that. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.